Hey, what's up guys, my name is Pavinder from PNP Tutorials and you are watching the PNP Tutorials channel, and in this video we are going to talk about can we hack WPA3 Wi-Fi networks or not. We have been making a couple of videos around WPA2 Wi-Fi routers. WPA3 is a new encryption. So in this video we want to basically check two things. First thing will be, will I be able to de-authenticate the clients connected to the WPA3 Wi-Fi routers? And second thing would be, if I capture the handshake of WPA3 Wi-Fi router, will I able to crack the password of that handshake or not? Before we go ahead in the video, I just want to let you know that I am using my own router for the demonstration purposes. I am not hacking and harming anyone while making this video. So I don't recommend you guys to perform this attack on any router which you don't own. Here we have the Kali Linux terminal, and if you type in a command called iwconfig, you will be able to see the WLAN0 here. Now we want to enable the monitor mode. I will type in here airmon ng start WLAN0, enter the password, verify if the monitor mode is enabled or not. Here you can see WLAN0 monitor mode is enabled. So I have opened up my mobile phone. Now I will set up a portable hotspot over here, and this is test AP 5G, and we also want to put in the WPA3, and I will change the security to WPA3, and the AP band would be 5 gigahertz, and I'll just click on save. So now what I'm gonna do here is that I'm gonna search for that Wi-Fi network. So here we have written a command called sudo airdump ng -- band, where this H stands for only seeing the Wi-Fi routers that are running on 5 gigahertz frequency, followed by WLAN0 mon. Hit enter. Now I should be able to see the test AP over here. Alright guys, so here you can see we have a test AP 5G WPA3 Wi-Fi router, and the encryption is also WPA3. Now let me just try to capture the handshake of this Wi-Fi router. So I'll type in here a command called airdump ng -- bssid, where I'm specifying the bssid, and the bssid is this 8E90. Just copy this one, and the channel is 157, and we are writing that handshake into a file called WPA3-test AP handshake 5G, and followed by an interface called WLAN0 mon. Hit enter. Here you can see guys, we have a client connected over here, and that client is this. Now the moment has come to figure out whether I will be able to perform the deauthentication attack on this WPA3 Wi-Fi router or not. Now I'll try to run the deauthentication attack. Now if you closely look at the command, here we have type in here sudo airreplay ng, where A stands for the access point, and here we have the access point, or you can say the Wi-Fi router. -c stands for the client. Here we have the client which is connected to my Wi-Fi router, and then we have specified WLAN0 mon interface, and we have also specified how many number of packets we want to send to this Wi-Fi router in order to deauthenticate the client. So I'll hit enter. As you can see guys, we have tried sending the 1000 deauthentication packets to the router, but the router was not disconnecting the client connected to the Wi-Fi router, which means deauthentication attack does not work in WPA3 Wi-Fi routers. Now in order to see whether we will be able to crack the WPA3 handshake or not, first we will have to capture the handshake. So what I'll do is I'll manually connect my mobile phone to this Wi-Fi router again so that I can capture the handshake, because deauthentication attack is not working for us. And as you can see guys, WPA handshake has been captured because I connected my mobile back to the Wi-Fi again. Now I'll press Ctrl C. Now that handshake should have been saved over here. Here you can see guys, WPA3 test AP handshake. I'll copy the name of the file. And now what I need to do is that I need to run a command called aircrack ng. I'll need to specify the file name, and then I need to specify the word list. I have already prepared a 11 characters word list. So I'll enter the name of that word list and hit enter. And as you can see guys, here it is saying maybe WPA3 not yet supported. So the authentication mechanism that works in WPA3 is different from WPA2. In WPA2, the authentication mechanism was 4-way handshake. Here in WPA3, they are using SAE authentication, which is different from four-way handshake. And that's the reason why that handshake was not having the encrypted password. If that handshake would have been having the encrypted password, then AirCrackNG would have been able to crack the password. So in this video, we have seen, guys, the authentication attack does not work on the WPA3 Wi-Fi router, and we cannot also crack the passwords of WPA3 handshakes. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys are new to this channel, then don't forget to check out some more content around ethical Wi-Fi hacking. If you guys like the video, then give it a big thumbs up. If you guys are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe it for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.